Hi beauties, welcome to a new video. So this is my struggles on my hair growth journey. So all these are my struggles and all these are my updates on how I will grow my hair from being short, bald. I had to color my hair so that I can be able to love my hair because I hated my hair when I got my front edges was cut off, so I hated my hair, so I had to color it to this extent. Then I started using DIY product and my hair started to grow. I started falling in love with my hair. So in my channel, I'm only showing you all natural ingredients to grow out your hair so you don't lose hope. In case you're losing hope on how you want to cut your hair, don't cut your hair. Your hair is going to grow out because my hair actually grew and I'm so happy and excited of my hair growth journey. Can't wait to get to the next length. Okay, so please join me on. I'll be doing challenges, I'll be doing testing on DIY hair growth for natural hair. So please subscribe, like, share and comment. So hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be using clove for 14 days on my hair. We're doing a 14 days challenge and we're using cloves for this. So right now I'm just pouring water inside my jar. It can be hot water, it can be cold water, so it all depends on you. Me, I'm just using normal lukewarm water. Okay, and this is my clove. I'll also be telling you guys the benefits of using clove on your hair. All right, I'm not using any measuring spoon. You can use measuring spoon. You can use like 2 tablespoons of cloves. Okay, me, I'm just putting as my spirit leads me. All right guys, so clove contain high level of nutrients that adds to the hair growth and strengthening of your hair. It can be used to protect your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and it contains anti-inflammatory agent that helps to thicken your hair. Okay, so I'm just adding all these cloves into my water and I'll allow this to infuse for 24 hours guys. So right now as I'm doing this video, it was in the night. Okay, so I'm going to cover it with the cover. All right, then I will leave this to infuse. So this is what my clove water right now looks like. Just imagine when it's infused, how the color is going to change. Yeah, so please keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this video and also like and comment and share. So my channel is all about DIY to help you grow your natural hair. I also do videos about stopping your hair loss and the rest. If you're so interested in, please stay tuned. So loves, this is the next day. Okay, this is the next day and our clove water has changed. All right, so this is same day guys, this is same day but in the night. Alright, so it has really darkened, so it's time for me to strain it. I'm going to strain this and this is the color of the water I have. So I'm going to put this in my spray bottle for easier application. So please do well to keep on watching to see the process on how I apply this on my hair and how my hair grew from day to day. Okay, so if you're doubting clove, don't doubt clove because this clove is a really powerful hair growth spray. So this is the one guys. I braided my hair just like this and I did this the next day, like braid my hair. After I braid my hair, I decided to braid my hair so that I don't really touch my hair that much. Okay, after I sprayed this all over my hair, I added some oils. My DIY hair growth oils is in my channel. Please do well to check those out. Then just to seal in the moisture because this is like water, so you just need to also add oil and butter and your leave-in condition. All right guys, so this is the routine I did throughout from day 1 to day 7. Why I'm wearing this plastic bag was because I was going to shower. So this right now is I was done taking my bath, and I want to do like a length check so that you guys can see. This is day one, guys. This is the length check for day one. Okay, my hair is reaching me on my nose for day one. So, and at the side of my hair is reaching me on my chin, on my neck side ish. Yeah, so this is where my hair is reaching me, but we're not going to be using that as our measurement. We're going to be using my front hair as my measurement. Okay, so please keep on watching. So guys, this is day two of the challenge. I'm still going to do the same routine I did in day one. Apply this all over my hair, add my oils, and please don't forget to always oil your hair, and also don't forget to always massage all your hair, because you need the blood circulation to flow around your hair. So right here in this video is day 7. I did the rest of them off camera. Okay, so we are going to be measuring day 1 and day 7. Okay, this other place is day 1 and this other place is day 7. Let me know if you saw a little bit of growth, just a little bit of growth. Yeah, so we'll keep on with it. Just wait for the 14 challenge. Okay, guys, so please keep on watching. So love, this is day 14 and it's time for me to show you guys my length. Okay, my hair actually grew. Like this works. It grew. This thing actually works. You understand? So I was so excited and shocked. Like my hair is growing. And when I saw this on the internet, I was like, oh my god, I need to try this out. And I try it, So it's good to try things out though. Seriously, it's good to try things out. And I try it and see, can you see those small hair lengths that you are seeing right there? Like I am so happy about this. So guys, this is just me just showing you guys every section of my hair that I have little hair growth and the rest. So after this, I will lose the front of my hair and show you guys the actual length. So I'm going to be comparing day 7 and day 1 for you all, so you guys can see that this works like magic. If you have not tried cloves, try cloves. So cloves now is the amazing hair growth natural spice for hair growth. Like guys, this thing dey work. They work they work fast, sharp. 2 weeks and I grew my hair in 2 weeks. I know somebody will be in my comment section say it's not true, but you can see from the evidence that it is true. You can see from the video that it is true, and you can see that it's the same hairstyle I carry in day 1 that I'm still carrying in day 14. So this is my length, guys. My hair now is reaching me on my nose. When I did this challenge, my hair is reaching me on my nose. Like, I was so happy. This was the first DIY hair growth spray that I did on my hair that made my hair to start to grow. So please check out the comparison of day 7 and day 1. So please compare and compare. See day 1, see day 7, and see day 14. Compare. This thing actually works. So this is what made me embark on natural hair for full. I was so happy when I started using these clothes. This was my first time using clothes on my hair and my first time using DIY hair growth spray or hair growth tea on my hair. So I decided to start putting natural ingredients on my hair. And guys, right now my hair is longer than this. Okay, so this was is just like a throwback video on how I started growing my hair. Clove was one of the ingredients that helped me to boost my hair growth, that gave me confidence that natural ingredient actually works for hair growth. Like, I should not give up hope. I should keep on researching and discovering different natural ingredients that will help me to boost my hair. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget that our natural hair makes us beautiful, and we should take care of our natural hair. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.